Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make a crochet watermelon pot holder. I'm looking for new crochet ideas, so if you'd like to comment below anything that you're looking for. I made this with an H hook and medium worsted yarn. Also, if you are a beginner, I have beginner stitches playlist down below, as well as how to place your video in slow motion if this is too fast. This measures about 9.5 inches across and about 5 inches in the height. If you'd like to make this smaller, you can go down on the hook size. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, in the magic ring, you're going to start with a slip knot, and then you can work your chain 3 for your first double crochet. And then after that, you can work 13 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you're going to pull it closed and slip stitch on top of that chain 3. And now you're going to chain 3 again.
Now double crochet in the same stitch.
And then you're going to work 2 double crochet in each stitch around. Repeat that until you get to the beginning. Now slip stitch on top of the chain 3 and then chain 3. And then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 double crochet in the next. Then go into the next stitch and pull through with your black so you can do the black dots. And then you're going to work 2 double crochet. Then you have your red down here. You're going to pick it back up and pull it through. You can drop the black, and then you can work 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, and then pick up your black. And this will all be closed when you make your pot holder inside, so you don't have to worry about all these tails. And then you're going to have the black and pull it through, drop the red, and you can tighten it with your red, and then go into the next stitch and work 2 double crochet. And then you're going to drop the black again and pick up the red and pull that through. And then just work with your red, your 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, and then 1, and then pull through with your black, and then work your 2 double crochet. So next you'll do 1, 2, and 1 on red, and then you'll pull through with the black. and repeat it until you get to the beginning. Okay, so we're at the end here, and you're going to pull the red through to finished, and then you can slip stitch into the chain 3. This round you're going to do 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So 1 in the next stitch, and then 1 in the next stitch, and this is 2 double crochet, so you'll just do 1 in this. And then you're going to do 2 in the next. This is all red this round. So it's 1, 2, and then increase, 1, 2, increase. So then 1, 2, increase, and work that until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to do another chain 3, and this is when you're going to add more black into this round. So you're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Take your black and work 2 double crochet. Then take the red yarn, pull it through, and then work your 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And you're going to add another black and work 2 double crochet and just repeat that around. So you're going to repeat that around until you get to the beginning. Now this round is just going to be red yarn, chain 3, and then work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then work an increase after the 3. And then work 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, because that was chain 3 was 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after your 4, you're going to work 2 increase. So 2 increase here, and then you're going to repeat that around for this round until you get to the beginning. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. Now you're going to add your white yarn and chain 3, and you're going to double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then you're going to work 2 double crochet. And then double crochet in the next 5 stitches.
And then 2 double crochet and repeat that around to the beginning.
Now you're going to pull your green yarn through and work a chain 3. and then double crochet in the next 5 stitches. And then work 2 double crochet, and then you're going to work a double crochet in the next 6 stitches because you had 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6. And then work 2 double crochet, and then work that around until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to fold it in half and single crochet to close it. Match up the stitches and single crochet. Until you get to the end. Now you're going to do a loop, so you can do a chain. I'm doing a chain of 12. This will be a little loop hook, and you can slip stitch it in. And then you have your little loop here, and you can single crochet into it until you get to the other side. Then you can slip stitch and fasten off and weave in your ends. Now you can take your yarn needle and weave in your ends.
I hope you enjoyed this crochet watermelon pot holder tutorial. The pattern is down below, and there is a playlist if you'd like to take a look. Thank you for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.